We are already familiar with this circuit. There's an LED that is lighting up. I connect it to ground and I connect it to a resistor. So the resistor right now has a value of 220 ohms, and the function is to avoid the LED to have infinite current or blowing up. So once that I remember how it was connected, I realized I have power, and that's coming from Arduino. I said that was 3.3 volts. Another way of writing is 3V3. I put the ground and the wires, and let's concentrate a little bit on this wire, this cable that is going to the resistor. So if I plug in a cable, it lights up. If I don't plug a cable, it doesn't. So thinking about this, it would be also a little bit a way of seeing how those switches work. On and now off. And now it's on and now off. Every time I put the cable, the circuit closes, and then we have the LED turning on. So if we look at the push button, what else is a push button than a cable that connects and disconnects? So I'll open it up. I think that this is going to be interesting for us because we actually get to see the terminals inside. I wish that this little experience also helps us to remember how to connect a push button. So now I took out the plastic part that we normally touch with the tip of our fingers, and there we can see a metallic contact and two places inside that get connected. So if we look at the parts, there are two pins, two legs on one side of the button. There's a metal bend, and then two on the other side, and a metal plate in between. So hopefully when you place it on the breadboard, you realize how the metal plates should be connected. And the position, it's clear, but then you need actually to press quite firmly to be able to insert it. The multimeter has a function to test continuity. So sometimes you need to activate it, like in this one, or it's a position on the knob. And every time the test leads connect with each other, they make a beep or they light up. So you can see every time I press the button, it actually helps us to test that the circuit is closed, it's connected. If you look at the circuit itself, it's almost there. The missing cable should go through the push button, and once connected, nothing should happen unless you press. And the logic symbol of a push button should be something like this. The internal contacts with a metallic pad attached to it, an interface where we have been pressing with our fingertip. And the circuit is complete. V as an LED, a resistor with 220 ohms, and a switch.